This is our 2013 Wildwood. It's a 25 foot. Just going over like the condition, anything cosmetically that it may need. As you can see, there's a little bit of fading on the decals there, but the body is super straight. Tread on the tires. The awning is in good shape. Works as it should, as does the slide out. It's the T25S. It's got a spare there on the back. City water connection there. Utility shower. Some specifications if you want to pause the video there. Tracks and everything look great. Two propane tanks. It's got an electric jack. This side, storage. It goes into the other side of the bed. So the bed's right above there. This camper is being sold by one of our really close friends and good customer of ours. He's taken really good care of it. Fridge and a freezer right here. Hardwood floors, really nice counters and cabinets. Floors in really good shape. Microwave looks brand new. No leaks, no weird smells. A cosmetic thing right there in the wood that he tried to color correct there with a little wood pen. You can see it in the really bright light there, but not super noticeable. This couch can be pushed down into a bed, which is cool. All the curtains are in good condition. Blinds are in good condition. Sound system, everything works. Little kitchen table. AC and heat, everything works. A little hallway here. Little closet. Shelves are right here. Bathroom is in really great condition too. Bedroom's really nice and clean. It's got a little sink. Curtains, so you can divide the room from the rest of the camper there. Curtains right here. Everything works. There's a place for a TV right here. Ceilings all look great. If you'd like to see this camper, we're located at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. Again, this is a 2013 Wildwood. You can check it up on our site, localwheeler.com. If you have any other questions, please let us know. It is a 25-foot camper. Thank you so much.